I now invite Mr. Sanjay Bhusreddy, sir, Additional Chief Secretary, Excise, Sugar Industry and Cane Development, Government of Uttar Pradesh, to please say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sanjay Bhusreddy, sir. A round of applause for sir.
Dignitaries on the dais, all the Lifetime Achievement awardees, their life partners, all the delegates who have come to attend this two-day annual convention and International Sugar Expo 2021. I'll be very, very short and be very purposeful because by and large the roadmap has been laid out before you for these 2 days. This is an inaugural session and also an opportunity to give Lifetime Achievement Awards to all those who have done tirelessly in their particular field of expertise. In any case, I'll be speaking to you on the technical aspects as well as the administrative aspects and the interlinkages of both the administrative aspect, the technical aspect, and the policy solutions which we have given in the last 4 years. And UP had tried to do its best. In 2017 June, when I was called back, I was in Government of India, my 1.5 years term was still there. But the PMO shortlisted some officers because the new government had come and has been sworn in Uttar Pradesh in March. So 6 of us were asked to come. 3 of us came immediately on the request of the state government. I was designated for some other department, but at the last moment, our Honorable Chief Minister said that you please go and look after sugarcane, where there's a lot of administrative problems. The Honorable Chief Minister also experimented, the government also experimented for the first time, along with the charge of Principal Secretary. They said, you also look after the Cane and Sugar Commissioner. I did that, and now I have a 4.5 years of experience on the administrative side, definitely. But I had learnt a lot from all of you. I know many technocrats. I had detailed discussion over phone, on a one-to-one, in workshops, and you all have taught me a lot. People who know about boilers, people who know about milling, people who know about distilleries, their technologies, you all have taught. My extension workers have taught. The research institutes have taught, like NSI. I keep consulting NSI off and on whenever there is a problem. We received a lot of support from Government of India, as has been said by earlier speakers, so I'll not repeat it. But I think this session primarily is for the Lifetime Achievement awardees and those who have been awarded the gold medal or other achievement awards, excellence awards. It is for them. So I would be very short, and because I'll be speaking in the Guntur Rao lecture series, so there I'll be talking to at length the other aspects. So I would request all the members who are there in this room to please stand up and give a standing ovation to all the Lifetime Achievement awardees and give them a very big clap. To all the Lifetime awardees, they have worked tirelessly in their particular field of expertise, and they have given the country an excellent technologies to the nation and to our farmers. Let me also tell you that this wouldn't have been possible without the better halves or the spouses who have stood behind them so that they could do this. So a very big clap, and rather a bigger clap to them, because they have ensured that their husbands or wives are able to do this particular thing. And lastly, we all have done this to the farmer, and let me tell you, the farmer is I have not seen any industrialist who can play such a blind game as the farmer of this country. So let's give a very big hand to the farmers of this country who really play a blind game, and they are dependent on apart from technology, we are dependent on rain, sun, and on so on and so forth on natural resources. With this, I'll take leave from all of you. A big round for all the three, the lifetime awardees, their spouses, and the farmers. Just a big round of applause I would again request. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Kisan, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir.